Now problems based on nonlinear differential equation. First problem, solve dy by dx plus y by x equals to y square. Here given coefficient of dy by dx is 1 plus y by x equals to y square. Because of this y square, this given equation is in nonlinear form. Multiply both the side by y to the power minus 2 so as to remove this function of y. We get y to the power minus 2 dy by dx plus 1 by x y to the power minus 1 equals to 1. Take this as equation 1. Now to make coefficient of dy by dx to 1, put y to the power minus 1 to v. Whenever we differentiate it, we get minus y to the power minus 2 dy by dx equals to dv by dx. Substitute in equation 1. Therefore, we get dv by dx minus 1 by x dot v equals to minus 1. Take this as equation 2. Thus, dv by dx minus 1 upon x v equals to minus 1. Take this as equation 2. There are two variables v and x. V is dependent and x is independent variable. And value of p is minus 1 by x and value of q is constant, that is q is equal to minus 1. Compare this equation 2 with this standard form linear dy by dx plus py equals to q. Linear form of differential equation in v. Now integrating factor I dot f equals to e raised to power integral of p dx equals to, substitute the value of p from above, that is 1 by x with minus equals to e raised to power minus log x after integration. Now take this minus to the power x, we get e log to the power x inverse. Thus I dot f equals to 1 by x. Now the solution is given by dependent variable. In equation 2, dependent variable is v. That's why dependent variable is v into I dot f equals to integral of q into I dot f dx plus of c. Substitute the value of I dot f over here. From this we get v into 1 by x equals to integral of minus 1 by x dx plus of c. Now replace v by function of y, as we had taken v is equal to y to the power minus 1. Thus we get 1 by xy equals to minus log x plus of c. Next, let us take second example. Dy by dx equals to e raised to power x minus y e to the power x minus e raised to power y. This equation can be written as in this form, separated this one, e raised to power x dot e raised to power minus y. Thus this can be written as in a form e raised to power 2x e raised to power minus y minus e raised to power x. Simply we have opened the bracket. Take this minus e raised to power x to left hand side. We get dy by dx plus e raised to power x equals to e raised to power 2x upon e raised to power y. Take this e raised to power y to left hand side, multiplied it, we get e raised to power y dy by dx plus e raised to power x e raised to power y equals to e to the power 2x. Let this equation be 1. Compare it with linear form. Right hand side of the equal is the value of q, that must be the value of x, function of x, or some constant. Yes, it is. But dy by dx coefficient is e raised to power y. It must be 1. For making it to 1, coefficient of dy by dx, simply substitute e raised to power y equals to v and differentiate it. E raised to power y dy by dx equals to dv by dx in equation 1. Thus we get dv by dx plus e raised to power x dot v equals to e raised to power 2x, which is linear in v. Compare it with this linear standard form. Coefficient of this dv by dx is 1, it's okay, plus coefficient of this dependent variable v must be the function of x, that is the value of p, and right hand side of the equal is the value of q, must be the function of x or with some constants. Yes, it is. That's why this equation is linear in v. Now come to integrating factor. I dot f equals to e raised to power integral of p dx, the standard formula. Substitute the value of p from above. We get integral of e raised to power x dx equals to e raised to power x. Therefore, value of I dot f is e raised to power x. Now the solution is given by dependent variable. Here dependent variable is v and independent variable is x. Dependent variable v into I dot f equals to integral of q into I dot f dx plus of c. Substitute the value of I dot f over here. We get v into e raised to power x equals to integral of e raised to power 2x, that is value of q, dot e raised to power x, that is value of I dot f. Integrate this with respect to dx. For integration, take t is equal to e raised to power x and dt is equal to e raised to power x dx. We get integral of t e raised to power t dt plus of c. This is in multiplication form u dot v. Integrated, we get t minus 1 e raised to power t plus of c. Now replace this v by function of y, as v is equal to e raised to power y and t is equal to e raised to power x. After replacing, we get this value of v e raised to power y, value of t is e raised to power x. Thus we get e raised to power x minus of 1 e to the power x plus of c. Here we have divided both the side by e raised to power x. Thus we get e raised to power y equals to c e raised to power minus of e raised to power x plus e raised to power x minus 1 here, which is the required solution. Now come to next problem. X dy by dx plus y equals to y square log x. Here given x dy by dx plus y equals to y square log x. Rewrite this equation as dy by dx plus 1 by x y equals to log x by x y square. Here, value of q contain function of x as well as y. This is of non-linear differential equation form. To remove this, take this y to the square to left hand side, that is multiply both the side by y to the power minus 2 in given equation. Thus we get y to the power minus 2 dy by dx plus 1 by x y to the power minus 1 equals to log x by x. Take this as equation 1. Now put y to the power minus 1 to v, and on differentiation we get minus y to the power minus 2 dy by dx equals to dy by dx in equation 1. Thus we get dv by dx minus 1 by x v equals to minus log x by x. Let this be equation 2. Again check and compare it with this standard form linear differential equation. Value of q is function of x only, and coefficient of this dv by dx is 1. Yes, now this equation 2 becomes a linear differential equation in v, where value of p is minus 1 by x and value of q is minus 1 by x log x, both the function of x only. Now come for integrating factor I dot f, that is equal to e raised to power integral of p dx equals to e raised to power minus 1 by x integral with respect to dx equals to e raised to power minus log x. Take this minus to power of x, we get 1 by x. Thus we get integrating factor is equal to 1 by x. Now the solution is given by a dependent variable into integrating factor. In equation 2, there are two variables v and x. V is dependent variable and x is independent variable. Thus we have taken v here. V into I dot f equals to integral of q into I dot f dx plus of c. This implies v dot 1 by x equals to integral of minus 1 by x square log x dx plus of c. Integrated by parts. First function log x and second function minus of 1 by x square. On integration we get minus log x minus of 1 by x plus integration of 1 by x integrating with respect to dx plus of c. Thus we get log x minus 1 by x plus integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x plus of c. Take this minus inside, we get log x by x plus 1 by x plus of c. Now replace this v by function of y, that is v is equal to minus 1. 1 by x y equals to 1 by x. Take this as common, log x plus 1 plus c. Y 1 plus log x plus cx equals to 1. This is the required solution. Thank you.